Okay guys, today I have for you the Kal-Elle Fandom monthly subscription service, which is a fandom jewelry subscription like you've never seen before. If you want to see what kind of goodies I put in my bag, keep on watching. What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I figured I would just keep the geekathon going. You know what I'm saying? It feels like I'm getting a lot of geeky subscription boxes. And honestly, guys, these are some of my favorite ones to get. They're just so unique and different. And if you grew up in a certain time frame, you can get like figurines and all kinds of cool stuff from when you were a kid. And I just think it's really awesome and fun. So I figured I would go ahead and keep that going. And today I have for you the Kal-Elle Fandom subscription service. Now I did get this one from Cratejoy, but I heard about it from Tay, and she has a channel called Tay Chanel's Favorite Things. If you guys haven't checked her out, you must go check out her channel. She unboxes tons of various subscription services as well as some of her favorite places to shop. So if you're interested on learning about different subscription services, she's like the subscription queen, I think. I'm just saying, she's got a lot of ideas on that channel, and as well as shopping in small businesses and stuff like that. She loves jewelry, so she does a lot of jewelry unboxings and various different things. She's got a lot of fun stuff going on over at her channel, so make sure you go check her out. So I am going to go ahead and jump into where you can get the subscription and how much it is and all that fun stuff in the next segment, and then we're going to unbox what was sent to me. So without further ado, let's jump into that now. Okay guys, so when you sign up for Kal-Elle Fandom Monthly, you will receive a box of specially hand-selected, high-quality fandom-inspired designs. This box is for everyone. They celebrate fandoms from the past to the present. Each month will have a different theme, and it won't be revealed until you open that awesome box. So what will you get? You'll get 6 to 7 pieces of unique designed jewelry and accessories. There'll be an exclusive pin each month for subscribers. That is a retail value of $40+. There's a different theme every month. The items include jewelry, apparel, accessories, and much more. I don't know about you guys, but that just gets me so super pumped to get this subscription. Okay, so let's jump into the different plans. Okay guys, so like most subscription services, there are several different options. They have a 1-month plan for $19 a month. They have a 3-month plan, which breaks down to $18 a month, but you do need to pay that $54 upfront. So you're going to pay that every 3 months. Then there's a 6-month plan for $17.50 a month, but you will need to pay the $105 upfront, and they will bill you every 6 months. Then there is a 12-month plan, which is $17 a month. The subtotal for that plan is $204, and you would need to pay that upfront every 12 months. So they have several different options for their plans here. I think I've covered everything you need to know. If you want to get this subscription, make sure you jump over to Cratejoy and get it. Now, let's see what I got in my bag. Okay guys, so here's the bag, and I gotta say, when I got this beautiful shiny bag in my mailbox, I had no idea where it was from. Most people would look on the front of the bag to see that information, but I was just so excited to get a random package in the mail, I went ahead and opened it up. Now, I did not open up their little packaging of the contents. I pulled out a card and saw where it was from, and as soon as I saw that, I'm like, okay, I gotta save it and unbox it with you guys. I guess this would be an unbagging, so I'm going to unbag it with you guys. So we're going to go ahead and jump into what contents are in this awesome metallic pink bag, you think? Sure. Let's get into what's in here. Okay guys, like I said, when I got the bag, I pulled out the card, and it said on the card where this subscription was from, and it says, thanks for your subscription. This month's fandom is Hercules. Okay, that's very cool, but I gotta say, I'm not extremely familiar with Hercules, so, you know, pardon me if I don't know who a character is or something like that, because that's just not really one of my things, but I'm really excited to see what's in here. I gotta say, I really am. So it does give me a list of what's in here. Obviously, I'm not gonna read that to you because I would totally spoil all the surprises, and honestly, I haven't even read that part myself. So this is cool though. Check this out. Yes, I can totally see myself, like, you know, putting this in a frame and putting it somewhere. Just saying, I'm that kind of person. So then we have a really cool, what I believe to be a sticker. I don't know, maybe I should read the thing to tell me what it is. Maybe it's not a sticker. I don't know, what is this? No, it's not a sticker. It looks like it's just something that you could put in a picture frame or something, but it's very cool. I mean, I really like it. It's very abstract and very cool, so I definitely will most likely do that. I mean, I'm going to put the little card they put the information on in a picture frame. Why wouldn't I put the actual picture in a picture frame? Great. Okay, so let's move on to the meat and potatoes of this bag. So I saw this little package in here. I did not unwrap it, but guys, it was really hard to refrain from unwrapping it, but I didn't. So we're going to do that with you guys right now. Ooh, okay. Let's just grab this. Something smells funky in here. I wonder what that is. Okay, so this looks to be like some kind of little makeup storage bag thingamabobber. I might have to refer to their card, guys, because guess what? I don't know what anything is. So I'm probably gonna have to refer to their card so that I know. Oh yeah, this looks like a makeup bag for sure. Wow, hey, look at me. Oh, it probably look better just stored in, honestly. Okay, this is super cool. This is very bright, metallic-y kind of bag. I'm not even sure you guys are gonna get to really see the bag in this lighting, so I will most likely take a picture of this so you guys can see a really close-up of what this is like. But it says, I'm a damsel. I can handle this. I'm in distress. Have a nice day. Awesome. Awesome, right? Okay, that's really cool. So yeah, and it's even metallic on the inside. This is a really cute little bag. Something is smelling crazy in here. Let me go ahead and pull the card so I can tell you what this stuff is, guys. So going down here, yes, that is a cosmetic pouch. That's what this is. Oh yeah. And the other thing is an art print. And it says it's by Megan E. Risk. So they also give you her website if you're interested in her prints or paintings, I'm guessing is what they are. You know, I'm probably going to check that out because it's a really cool little thing. I don't know if you guys remember it, but this is what I'm referring to. So this is very cool. Like, I wonder if she does other really cool fandom type things because I would be very interested to see what she has on her site. So I'll check it out. And if I get anything, I'll definitely let you guys know. Okay, so that was the first thing. So let's go ahead and grab these. What is this? Not sure. Sorry guys, my nose is a little runny. That stuff is smelling. Okay, what is this? Am I like, I don't know what this is. Does it have something to do with the smelly stuff? Here's the smelly stuff. I can tell you what smells right here. So this is cranberry, blueberry, hibiscus. I don't know. Tessine. It says 3 servings. Servings? You don't eat this, right? I'm just saying, right? I would imagine not. Okay, let's take a look at what these are because clearly I'm totally lost, guys. So this is a Panic and Pain tea. Oh, so you do ingest this. It's a tea. I don't drink tea. I think my mom does. Pretty sure my mom does. So she might be getting this tea. And then this is a leaf tea infuser. Okay, so here you go. That's what's going on here. Oh yeah, look. Woo, leaf tea infuser. Okay, so that's why I had no idea what was going on. I don't drink tea, so that's why I wouldn't know what this little contraption is, and I have no idea how you use it. And then we have the tea right here that smells amazing, and honestly, I would like to just stick this tea in a drawer or something and just smell the aroma coming off of it. But in all honesty, my mom does like tea. I'm 100% certain of that. I know I said I think, but I'm 100% certain my mom likes tea. So I'll go ahead and give this to her and let her try it. Why not? And she can have this little tea thing too, because clearly I have no use for it. Awesome. So this is very cool. I like this a lot, but I'm just not a tea drinker, so I won't get use out of it. Good thing I have the little card telling me what the heck's in here because I'm totally messing this up, guys. Oh, how pretty. Oh, and you get, oh, okay, open this up. Okay, we have a little pouch here, and obviously we have a necklace and a pair of earrings. Oh, so cute. Oh my gosh, I love this, guys. I wish I was a huge fan of Hercules because this is really cute. I mean, I can still wear it even though I'm not a huge fan, but I'm just saying I wish I was because it would make it that much more exciting. But, oh, this is so pretty. Wow, guys, let me take this fully out of the package for you because honestly, this will probably be something that I wear even though I actually don't wear gold very often. And I'm not a huge fan of Hercules. Does this all make sense to you guys? Probably not, but I'm a really scatterbrained person, so just roll with me. Okay, so guessing that this is Hercules here, and I am not even sure what that is. So I'm gonna have to take a look at the little card again to let me know what's going on with this necklace. But I was gonna show you the earrings first. That's why there was a huge pause. Kind of awkward, right? These unboxings, just gotta say, gotta deal with all this awkwardness. Okay, so this is a Hercules and Megara necklace. So this is a Kal-Elle exclusive. So you can't get this anywhere else. That's very cool. I am loving this necklace, guys. I mean, honestly, I'm going to go ahead and take it off the little card here and like put it up against myself because I think it'll look so pretty on. I really do. I think, oh, look at that. Yes, guys. Yes, yes. All right. I really love the necklace. So I'm definitely going to be keeping that and wearing it. And then we have these earrings in here. And I can't open them. This is awesome. No one's going to watch my unboxings and unbaggings. I am a total train wreck. Okay. So I am not sure exactly what this symbolizes from the movie, if anything. You guys getting these? I'll try to take up close-up pictures of these so you guys can kind of see. But they are very cool. I'm definitely going to wear them. I can promise you that. So let's take a look back at the card here. It says Greek-inspired earrings. There you go. They're so pretty. I really like these earrings a lot. I normally wear crazy long, dangly, out of this world earrings. But honestly, I can tone it down. Even I can tone it down. And I would definitely do it with this pair of earrings. Very cool. Okay, so I'm loving this so far. And I've made a huge mess of things. So hopefully I can find the rest of the stuff. Awesome. Oh, pop socket. Yeah, buddy. All right, so I do need one of these. Not sure who all these women are. You guys know who these women are? I'm not really sure. Awesome. So I do need a pop socket though, so I would gladly put all these women on my phone. Let's see here. It's the Muses pop socket. Okay, this is also a Kal-Elle exclusive, so you can only get it from them. Pretty cool. I love it. All right, I'll definitely use it because I need one. Okay, so here we have another. This looks like it's a pin. Yes, it's definitely a pin. Guys, I'm terrible. Like, I'm going to take it out of the package for you, but I'm terrible at knowing what all this stuff is. Like, totally terrible. This is very cool, though. I actually quite like the pin. Let me tell you guys what it is. Sorry. Oh, I love these. Oh, baby Pegasus. Oh, that is so cute. I love it. Okay, this is also a Kal-Elle exclusive. Yeah, I'm totally going to be wearing this. I love this. I'm not a huge pin person, but honestly, when you need to kind of bring your clothes a little bit closer together because, you know, it's too deep of a V or something like that, it's kind of a good idea to stick a pin in random places. Like you could, you know, over here and make your top be so that when you bend over, you can't see anything, but you're also concealing where you've pinned it together instead of altering the top if you're not able to do that. Just giving you a little tip, just saying. So pins are good for that kind of thing. You have a nice decorative thing to hide all of your bunching up so that people can't see down your top. And you have a nice decorative thing to do that with. So I love this baby Pegasus. This is so cute. Loving it. Okay, so it looks like there's a couple more things. We're going to do this first. Magnet. Okay, this is a magnet. Guys. Yeah, I don't know who's on the magnet. Here, let me take it out of here because I'll definitely put it on my fridge. Well, that much I can tell you. So here it is. Yeah, definitely not getting a ton of glare when I hold it like that. And let's find out who's on the magnet, guys. Oh, it's a Hercules magnet. There you go. Told you I'm not familiar with Hercules. All right, so yeah, there he is. And I guess this is that woman. Who's the woman? Megara. I guess that's her. There you go. In the real life. And there's a Pegasus up there and some other stuff. Awesome. Guys, I wish I knew more about Hercules, but unfortunately, these past couple of bags, the Heroes Tower and this one, I'm getting things that I'm not really familiar with, but I'm still going to unbox them for you guys because some people might know what this stuff is and they might really like to have it. So you might want to subscribe to these subscriptions. So the last thing in here is a very cool, and I do mean very cool, bracelet. Hello. We're taking this out because this is really fabulous stuff. Yes! Look at this, guys. What? Okay, so this isn't for everybody. but it's for people like me. I can promise you that. So let's attempt to put it on and not bore you guys with while I try to like snap it and all that fun stuff. We'll put it on the lowest one because that's going to be easier for me to snap it on. And I might have to get somebody to help me if I want to put it on the other one. But here you go, guys. What? Hello? Yes. I mean, what? So that's pretty fabuloso. Let's take a look here to see what it says about it. So this is a Zero Joe Hero. I think that's Joe. I don't know. Maybe not. It's very funky writing. Can I show you guys what I'm reading from? Okay. I'm sorry. The writing is a little funkity. Pretty awesome. It's a little hard for me to read. But Zero to Hero? Maybe Zero to Hero. I don't know. Let's just make this up. It's a leather cuff bracelet. And it's also a Kal-Elle exclusive. Oh, it's definitely Zero to Hero because it says it right here, guys. Zero to Hero. So it's not Zero Joe Hero like I said before. What the heck that means. But yeah, here you go. Zero to Hero. Awesome. Yes. Okay, guys, I'm pretty sure that was the last item in this awesome little bag. I went over how much it was in my little description of the service because I honestly don't remember how much I'm paying for this one because I have various different ones I'm doing right now and I can't remember them all. But yeah, so I got a total of 10 items. Awesome. I was going to show you, but I dropped it and I'm not going to have to edit this out. So I got a total of 10 items. I promise you that's what it said on the card. So I got a total of 10 items in this little package and all of them are really cool. One of a kind, exclusive to that company items. Guys, I'm loving it. I love this. This is a really great subscription. So I'm definitely looking forward to getting some, more things that I'm more familiar with. But this is very awesome. I'm definitely going to wear this stuff, even though I don't know what a lot of it is. But and whatever I'm not going to use, I have someone else who can use it. So this is pretty awesome. I'm really excited about this one. Yes! So to me, this was a success, even though I didn't know what the heck was going on most of the time. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you found it helpful in knowing what you get with the subscription. And hopefully if you're interested in it, you go ahead and grab it from Greyjoy. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of the super fun stuff I have going on here. Lots of great videos coming up, so make sure you check all those out. I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye! I didn't look at any of that. I'm going to do that with you right now, actually. So let's do that. Did that work? I don't know. I feel like it was paused and it didn't work. So we're going to try it again. So I did pop it open to see, and I saw the card. I'm stumbling. Woo! Try it again. I want to make sure you guys know that because I'm going to be unboxing it with you. I guess this is an unbagging. I'm going to be unbagging this with you, and I messed up, so once I do that, I have to start over. Great. Okay, guys, so here's the bag. I don't like it. So, how many times can you say so? Great again. I gotta say, when I got this bag in my mailbox, I was like, what is this? Because I'm turning into a little bit of subscription. Huh? A what? Huh? Again. Okay, guys, so here's the bag. Oh no. I can't. I gotta recover. Hold on. Oh my gosh. One more time. Okay, guys, like I told you, I grabbed out the card and it told me on the card, thanks. It told me? The card talks. Try that again. What?